are you today? It's a beautiful weather out. It's also a beginning of a new school year. And guess what? We have this, somewhat school vest right here we want to talk about. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful vest, right? Made with bold colors, yeah, and would work perfect for a school vest. Now, before I go talking about what we did here, are you new to our channel? Go and subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet, walking you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, demystifying what one celebrity or another wore. We talk patterns, we walk you through tips and tricks and everything you need to make your crochet life easy and beautiful. Now we have our wedding day apparel up on, we have our galleries up on Instagram. For our wedding day apparel, you can find those at Makisode Weddings. And then for our everyday corporates, casuals, accessories, and the rest, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow us, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. So let's begin. What happened here? Houndstooth stitches happened. Yes, that's what happened. It's a very simple stitch to work. It gives this very beautiful texture and feel and look, and it is just a perfect set of stitches to work on your very simple, when you're working something really simple but you want a little drama to the texture. All right, so where did we start from? We started from the base. We started from the base of this of this vest. So we made this for a 10-year-old, yeah, because it's for essentially for school. So it's for a 10-year-old. All right, starting from the base. Now, what do? You take the measurement of the widest part of the torso. Usually, it could be the individual stomach, it could be the chest region. Yeah. So you just take that measurement and then work from the base for your measurements. Yeah. Remember that usually the point between the shoulder and the armhole has its own measurement. So and it also affects the measurements of the entire vest. So when you walk up from the base, realize that you're going to have to stop at the armpit point so that you can now split your work so that and work your back panel and your front panel. So for the back panel, yeah, we just walked up normally. All right, and then for our front panel, we had to do a V cut. There's a video on how to do that V cut. I will attach that to the description, to our description box, so that you can easily follow what we are talking about. All right, so yeah, that video is going to be attached on how to split your V. So yeah, houndstooth all through. We just added a little color splash. That's what I'll call it, because it's not all over, just a color splash. Yeah, and then we edged. How did we edge? We used the front post, back post, double crochet edging method. All right, so yeah, we did 2 rows of that for the 3 rows each for the armhole, and then we used 2 rows for the neckline and 3 rows for the base. Okay, using the front post, back post, double crochet stitch. That's it. It's a simple vest. We've worked several vests here on Makisode. If you check our vest folder, it shows you different ways and different styles of vest and tees that we have worked for men. Yeah, so but this actually works. Both sexes can wear this, both genders can wear this. All right, so is there any part of this that wasn't clear to you? Do let us know in the comments, and we'll explain a little bit more explicitly. Yeah, now you love the vest, you like the vest, you don't have the time, or you don't have the skill level, or just any reason really, and you want us to do it for you, please do ask, but we will do it for you for a token. All right, if you also want the pattern to the vest, do let us know also, and it will also let it be available to you for a token. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe.